अगर आपको भी घर पे फैट लॉस करना है बिना किसी इक्विपमेंट के, तो ये 3 एक्सरसाइज ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए, और लास्ट वाली तो बिल्कुल भी मिस मत करें। नंबर 1, 30 सेकंड तक कीजिए और एक्सरसाइज।
Bullies in the schoolyard, everyone can see. But the bullies we elected, we just let them be. They're just too powerful and they make us feel so good by hurting the same people that we would
नंबर
if
2,
we could. Indifference is the coldest sin. We see evil and let it in. Our neighbor sleeps on cardboard in the freezing rain tonight. We step around him carefully and keep our eyes shut tight. 1,000 people passing by with pity
नंबर
on that
3,
poor old bum. Indifference is the silence when we see what we could become. Indifference is the coldest sin. We see evil and let it in. The factory
ऐसी
dumps
और
its
वर्कआउट टिप्स के लिए
poison in the river
बॉडी
so
बिल्डर 13D
clean
को
and
सब्सक्राइब
clear.
कीजिए।